Hello everyone, my name is Uday Dilip Ahire. I have completed my post graduation in organic chemistry as well as B.Ed in science method. I have qualified paper 1 and paper 2 of CTET exam. I have 3 years teaching experience. Recently, I am working in Government Polytechnical College, Nandurbar. Today, I am going to discuss one of the important topics of chemistry. That name is chemical bond. Chemical bond. As we know, matter is made up of one or different type of elements. Under normal condition, no other element exists as an independent atom in nature except noble gases. However, a group of atoms is to found exist together as one species having characteristic properties. Such group of atom is known as molecules. Obviously, there must be some forces which holds such type of constituents in a molecule. Hence, we can make the definition of chemical bond over this. The chemical bond is nothing but the force of attraction which holds various constituents together in a chemical species. It is called as chemical bond. There are some types of chemical bonds like ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate bond, metallic bond, etc. Now I am going to discuss one of them, that is ionic bond. The first one is ionic bond. Ionic bond. When the electronegativity difference between two atoms is large, then they can attain their octet by the complete transfer of one or more electron from one atom to other atom and can be linked together by attractive forces. It is called as ionic bond, and we also call ionic bond as electrovalent bond. It is also electrovalent bond. Electrovalent bond. During the formation of such types of bonds, one atom loses one or more electrons and other atom gains or accept that loose electrons. The atom which donate one or more electrons is called as electropositive atom. Electropositive atom, because it will donate its electrons. When the atom which gains or accept that loose electrons is known as electronegative atom. Electronegative atom. Generally, the metal are electropositive in nature and non-metals are electronegative in nature. Because metal has a tendency to forming positive charge by donating electrons from outermost shell. Now we can say that the ionic bond or electrovalent bond basically established between metal and non-metal because they have oppositely charged ions. Okay. Now during the formation of ionic bond, the electropositive atom loses one or more electrons and become cation. Cations mean having a positive charge, while the electronegative atom gains or accept that loosed electrons and become cation, sorry, anion, because it has negative charge. It means that if any electron losing or donating its electron, then it will convert into cation, that is positive charge, and cation is mainly related to metal, means metal form into cation and non-metal form into anion. Okay, now I am going to take an example of electrovalent or ionic bond. If I take sodium chloride, in this molecule sodium is a metal. Sodium is metal. Its atomic number is 11 and its electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 1. First shell contain 2 electron, second shell contain 8 electron and third, that is outermost shell, contain only single electron. As well as I will take chlorine. Its atomic number in 17. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 7. First shell contain 2 electrons, second shell contain 8 electrons and third, that is outermost shell, contain 7 electrons. Now we should know about the concept of valency. If any element has less than 4 electron in its outermost shell, means like 1, 2 and 3. Okay. If any element has less than 4 electron in its outermost shell, then it will donate that electrons and become cation, means having positive charge. And if any element has more than 4 electron in its outermost shell, then it will accept the electron and become anion, means here is positive charge and here is negative charge. If any element has 4 electron in its outermost shell, then neither donate nor accept the electron but sharing the electrons. It means sodium has 1 electron in outermost shell, it will donate the electron and become positive charge over it. Like chlorine has 7 electron in its outermost shell, it will accept the electrons and become negative. Now I am going to show the shells around sodium. If I take sodium, it has 11 atomic number. This is the first shell around nucleus of sodium. It contain only 2 electron. Only 2 electron. Second shell contain 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And the last shell, this is the outermost shell to sodium, contain only 1 electron. As well as in chlorine has 17 atomic number. First shell contain 2 electrons. Second shell contain 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the outermost shell contains 7 electrons only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now sodium will give 1 electron from outermost shell to the chlorine. Then electronic configuration becomes 2 and 8, means last outermost shell will vanish from the sodium because it is only contain only 1 electron which already donate to chlorine, and its electronic configuration become as 2, 8 and 8. Both are become stable now because it has 8 electrons in outermost shell, as well as chlorine also have 8 electrons in its outermost shell. This is the concept of ionic bond. Thank you.